Kaylee can't leave for school because the mama bird's protecting her babies. Let's go help her out. Mama bird gets very mad at us. Here she is trying to leave for school. There's the babies. There's Mama Bird. Mama Bird is not happy. And she comes. Oh, Jesus. Come on, baby. Come on. They think it's funny. It scares me because it's just a little bird, but holy cow. Come on, baby. Come out. You gotta go to school, honey. Come on. Come on, baby. Just go fast. Baby, seriously, we gotta go. And then Mama Bird, our Mama Bird comes out all, just go. Well, she's not getting attacked by the bird. So,